How to fix fingerprint not showing in settings. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, you need to double check that your device model includes a fingerprint sensor. If the hardware is absent or damaged, the option will not appear. Now the next step you need to follow is restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and then simply slide towards Restart. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches. Ensure that fingerprint sensor is clean and free from dust or debris. If the sensor is physically damaged, contact the device manufacturer or service center. You need to now verify software update compatibility. Launch Settings application and now check for updates using the search bar. You have to type in update. If you directly get the option, you can choose that and open. And after that, you need to make sure that it is updated to the latest version and it is compatible with your device model. You can even check on the manufacturer's official websites or forums. If it's beta update, you can roll back to a stable version. After you have done that, even if the issue has been persisting, you can reach out to your device customer support or visit an authorized service center. The update might have introduced a bug that requires a patch. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.